This is our MYDATA pick and place machine. It's used for assembling SMT circuit cards. So we have a downward looking camera system that allows us to align the board and component locations. We have a single mount system over here. This allows us to pick up a single component from these tapes, and we have centering jaws on here which mechanically center the device and are also able to electrically verify a component such as a cap, resistor and polarity on diodes. But it's a very slow system, so what we really want to do is have the machine kick over into Hydra mode, which is this 8 nozzle pickup system here, and this will pick up 8 components at a time, and on the fly it'll run past a Hydra camera next to the Y-wagon, and it will optically center the device before it places it on the board. So what that's doing, it's a vacuum system, so each of those tool tips is coming down and it's picking a component out of a pocket in the tape, and it's carrying it from the tape over to the board and putting it down. To make sure that it's accurate, there is a camera. Just before we get to the board, there's an upward looking camera that shoots an image of that, and what it's going to do is optically center that component and before it puts it down on the board. We've told it the X and Y position on the board where that component needs to be. We've told the machine where that component is on this machine, so it takes all of that information, and then that camera image gives it the offset and tells it exactly where it actually is and how to put it down on the board.